Surah Yusuf strengthens the Prophet Muhammad during hardships, showing him that patience and steadfastness lead to relief and victory. It reassures believers that after hardship comes ease, and Allah will not waste their reward. The surah highlights the value of patience and piety. Jacob's patience in losing Yusuf and Benjamin, and Yusuf's patience in trials, show that trust in Allah leads to relief. Piety preserved Yusuf from sin and elevated him, emphasizing the link between piety, patience, and a good outcome. Envy drove Yusuf's brothers to scheme against him, leading to painful events like Jacob's grief and Yusuf's suffering. The story warns of envy destroying family relationships and causing dire consequences. Yusuf forgave his brothers when he became the Aziz of Egypt, teaching the value of forgiveness and mercy. His noble stance shows that gracious people forgive, leading to reconciliation and love. Yusuf's childhood dream, and his ability to interpret dreams, led to his rise in Egypt. The story highlights the importance of dreams and their interpretation in impacting events. Yusuf preached monotheism even in prison, emphasizing the unity of prophets in calling to the worship of Allah alone. The story underscores the consistent message of the prophets. The surah begins by affirming the Quran's guidance, with the story of Yusuf serving as a lesson that clarifies truths and guides people, achieving the Quran's aim of instruction.